Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are at the Magic Kingdom for a hard-ticketed event called Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. We are psyched. The Christmas decorations are out. The giant Christmas tree is right over there. We're gonna see the parade and the fireworks and eat cookies. This is gonna be awesome. Here we go. Whoa, fireworks. Oh yeah, Christmas is definitely upon us. And that is a giant tree. So we've got the Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Magic Band. It's limited to 3,000 and it is, it comes in a cool box too, $34.99. Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party pen. And that is $15.99. Magic Kingdom 2019 Christmas Party jersey, spirit jersey. And this is $64.99, your regular price for a spirit jersey. Pretty cool though. These buttons aren't real, they're just kind of glued on there. Then you've got a Cocoa Cookies and Christmas Cheer, and that is $24.99. Regular Christmas party shirt, and it is $23.47. Nothing on the back. The Alex and Annie Parks collection, and it's a Mickey Minnie at a tree, and it's $44.99. Last year was made of like a ceramic. This is more of like just a regular glass ornament, and this one goes for, and it is a blown glass, it says, and it is $24.99. Okay, so here's the one, another shirt. This is a long sleeve, and it's got that on the back, which is kind of cool. And that is $39.99. So there's the pass holder shirt. And there she is, Cinderella's castle. And tonight she'll be covered in the dream lights. Woohoo! Look, everybody, it's Captain Jack. He's signing autographs. It's the Christmas Captain Jack. Alright, everybody. We found some more pins. There's a gingerbread man, there's snowmen, and then there's Mickey. And these are on green cards. The ones we found at the Emporium are on red cards, and they were different. They had Mickey and Minnie, I believe. So I think we're gonna get these too. $17.99 each, sorry about that. These are the mystery pins. And they're what, $21.99? $21.99, and it looks like it's different characters on there. Hey guys, we got the Matterhorn bobsled and abominable snowman pop figure. $39.99. What's happening now is party guests are coming in and regular guests are leaving, so it gets a little crazy, but we like the craziness. Oh, look at that tree. Holy moly, that is a big tree. Oh, this looks so cool. It's gonna be neat when it starts snowing. That's right, it snows in Florida. Mm-hmm, it does. Wow, pretty cool. We are starting on our first cookie line. Here we go. Thank you. Woohoo! Oh, it's Minnie. I got a Minnie. What do you got?
I got a Minnie.
So we got two Minis. Minnie. The last Christmas party we went to last year, we learned that you're gonna have extra cookies and they're gonna get crushed. So what we do is we bring, you can close it, a cookie box, and we just added the cookies to the cookie box. Oh yeah. That's my hand. That's the Rice Krispie treat. Man, that thing is huge.
Yeah, it's huge.
How much is it? $17.99 for the world's largest Rice Krispie treat. Okay, so we're going into Tomorrowland, and you can see they've got all kinds of lighting and really neat. We're going on the Tomorrowland Speedway to see the Christmas overlay. Tim Tracker, is that you?
How's it going?
Holy crap.
You guys having a good day?
I have been watching you for a long time, my friend.
Oh,
You're the reason why I bought this camera.
oh yeah, how do you like it?
I love it.
Yeah?
Well, it's the 2, it's not the 3.
What do you have on the end?
Oh, it's just a filter.
Okay.
It keeps the dust out. I can't believe it. She was like, is that Tim Tracker? I was like, well, I see the tripod. I think it is. So, cool to meet you, man.
Great to see you.
Yep, you too. Pretty cool. Alright guys, we're almost there. And Tim Tracker's getting on right in front of us.
Tim Tracker is
How surreal is that? Alright, I guess I get in first. Oh my. Oh my. Look at that, he's driving and videoing and vlogging at the same time. He's the man. Whoa! How does he keep it so straight? Oh, there he goes. Look at that cute trees. This is awesome. This is so cool. That was the overlay for the Speedway. That was cool. I haven't been on it in a long time, but the lights were really cool, and yeah, it was fun. We're gonna go look for a cookie now, and then I think we're gonna go on the People Mover. We're gonna get some apple cider and some cookies. Hello. Thank you. Mine's a little squashed, it feels like, and some apple cider. And she got the same thing, and I'm not gonna eat mine right now. I'm putting it in the box. 2 more cookies for the box. Alright guys, we're on the People Mover. Main reason we're on the People Mover is to go through Space Mountain and see the Christmas overlay. Wow! Alright guys, we're going to Cosmic Rays to get another cookie. I think these are peppermint cookies this time, I think. Where are the cookies? Now we're getting English Bay peppermint cookies, hot chocolate and apple cider. Thank you. So, Oops, sorry, there we go. Okay, so that's what we got. 2 more cookies. I can't add Angel's cookie to the box because she's eating it. What do you think?
Very good.
She says it's very good. So there you go. Mine's going in the box. Into the cookie box. The hot cocos were really, really hot. They were good though. Very chocolatey. Yum, yum. Very, very cool. Whoa. That was pretty cool. Look how sparkly it is. We are on Main Street waiting for the Christmas parade. Isn't this awesome? There's the castle behind me. And there's the big tree on the other side. So cool. Okay, everybody, that was the Christmas parade. It was awesome, and it snowed, and it rained. It rained and it snowed. The rain was real, the snow was snow, but still, it was cool. But you could see that a lot of people are starting to head out now, which is good for us because we ain't leaving yet. We need more cookies, and the fireworks are coming up. Hello, thank you. There's another one. Okay, our cookie box is starting to get full. Angel's decided she's just gonna carry it around like her cookie lunch box. Snowman soft pretzel and grape soda. Thank you very much. Ooh, they're warm. This is what we got at this one. It's snowman pretzels, and they're warm, and grape Fanta soda. I'm trying some of the Fanta soda right now. Ooh, it's very grapey and very bubbly. So I'm gonna eat my snowman right now.
Me too.
I'm gonna bite his head off. I bit his head off. It's a pretzel. It was pretty good. So it's the grape soda. So there you go. Just got another one. Oh, there's more. Another cookie.
There you are.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
We got two more cookies. So and we're
I
gonna.
don't know what kind they are.
Don't look like a chocolate chip of some sort, but I heard someone say snickerdoodle. That our cookie box is starting to get full. All right, guys, here we go. We just finished watching the fireworks. It's raining again, so I have to keep my my camera under my my jacket. But wow, we're in the Diamond Horseshoe, and it is all lit up. This is cool. Thank you.
Would you like some cookies?
Sure. Oh, sure. Sure. Thank you. We know who's going to be the cookie giver of the night, because she just hooked me up.
I don't know how much more room I got. Cookie box is kind of
The cookie box is full.
more in there.
The cookie box is definitely full. And you can see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is raining out. I gotta turn this camera off. Okay, everybody, it's pretty much the end of the night. We're sitting in Pinocchio's house right next to, It's a Small World. In fact, there's a big window over here. Here, I'll try to show it to you. There's a big window over here. Let's see. But we're just sitting here. Normally, when I do my closers, I do them outside, you know, in front of the castle or something like that, but it is raining out. So we're gonna just have to close it here. Anyway, sitting at the table, eating our cookies, drinking our grape Fanta and our hot chocolate, and we had a blast. The parade was great, the fireworks were great. We got very lucky at both because it stopped raining and then it started raining right at the end. So we got a lot of cookies, we filled up our cookie box. It was great. And we met Tim Tracker. Everybody knows who Tim Tracker is. I don't need to explain that is. When we got to, we met Tim Tracker. It was great. The parties always are. The Halloween party's great. The Christmas party is great. I'm glad we came. But that being said, this is the stuff that we got from the Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. We got a bunch of pins. These two boxes are the mystery pins for the Christmas party, and it looks like it's faces. It's different faces, and there's actually one chaser pin. There's a limited edition of 800. We don't know if we got the chaser pins, but there's 2 pins in each box, and these were $21.99 for each one, and then we got basically doubles of each one of these pins. So I'm just going to show you one of each, but this one is the pass holder limited release. It is dated on the bottom and it has this little cookie that goes up and down. So that's pretty cool. And that one was $15.99. And then we've got the I guess it's the regular Christmas party pen. It's a limited release. It's on a red card for some reason. It's really cool. It's got like a sparkly like Christmas tree, and that one is $15.99. And then the rest of these are on green cards. And the first one is got the 2 snowmen, which are really cool. Blue background's really neat. And the second one is Mickey with a big pile of presents and some candy canes. And then this one is the gingerbread, which is pretty cool. And those are all the pins that we got, which is neat. And again, this would be the tote behind it. That one you pay $24.99 when you purchase $40 or more, which we did. And then we got the 2 pass holder t-shirts. They're cool. I mean, under this light, you could probably get a good idea of the color, but they're like a really dark green. And one is small, one is extra large, and the pin is basically the same design. Each one of the shirts were $29.99. Those are all retail prices I gave you. We got the pass holder discount, which is about 20%, and that's pretty much everything that we got, that we bought merchandise-wise from the party. It was a lot of fun, and I wish we could have taken you with us, but you know. I don't think they really would. You probably wouldn't have had a very good time, but we had a good time. So as soon as I finished recording that last segment, Angel tore these boxes open because she wanted to see what was inside, and it looks like we got, and they're cookies. We looked it up just to see. They're supposed to be cookies. There's 10 different ones. There's 9 regular ones that they show pictures of, and then there's this this mystery one that they say is a limited edition of 800. It's the Chaser pin. So she ripped them open, and lo and behold, we got the Chaser pin, and it's Marie from the Aristocats. And then the other box had a Dopey and a Genie, which is cool. So yeah, so she didn't get any duplicates, and she got the rare one. So that was really cool. And then I found out that the reason these are on different color cards, and you know, I'm sure pin traders, real pin collectors know this, but I didn't know it. So when the red card and the blue card is considered a limited release, they don't put a number on it. It's just a limited release. They probably print up a bunch of them, and when the party's over, they just, I don't know, they send them to the warehouse or they do whatever, but they don't keep printing them up. But there's no edition number. These green ones do have editions on them. Each one is an edition of 4,000. And the other thing, obviously, that you get for the Christmas party is the free cookies. And this year we brought the cookie box, as you saw, and I just wanted to show you, you know, pretty much what we brought home. We have eaten a few of these, so there were actually a couple more, but this is pretty much gives you an idea of going to each one. The thing that was interesting was towards the end of the night, you know, around maybe 10:30, 11 after the fireworks, we walked around a little bit, and that's when well, you saw in the video, that's when they started handing out more than one. In the beginning of the night, each one of the cookie givers usually just handed you one out of the bin. But then at the end of the night, they started handing us, you know, 3, 4. I think the one lady handed me 4, you know, so that was cool. So they didn't get too crushed, still in one piece. The year before when we did it, we brought home some of these cookies and they were destroyed because we had no place to put them. But yeah, so anyway, there you go.
And you dig it.
Oh yeah, and if you watch this all the way to the end, which you obviously did, you must have liked what we're doing. So push the button, subscribe, ring the bell, get notified. It's gonna help us out. It's gonna make your life much better because you get to see all of our videos. That's all I have to say. Just push the button. Thank you.
Yeah, good night.
What?
You always say good night.
Thank you. Good night.